start with the illuminating strobing moisturizer cream primer for that dewy, glowy, fresh look. I really love how this primer gives natural glow to your face. Just look at the glow on my face. So now for the foundation, I'm using this Gigi Bear Cushion foundation. So if you want to know more about its quality, then do watch my Gigi Bear haul video. I have shared all the details there. Now I'm using this blender for blending the foundation very perfectly. Now I'm using a bright concealer and applying it around my eyes, nose and around my mouth and little bit on my chin and on the center of the forehead. And now I'm using a beauty blender to blend it all. Now I'm using a compact powder to set my base. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm using this pink coral kind of shade from this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to blend it all over my lid. And now I'm using a shade and applying it on my lower lid, kind of like this. And now I'm using a shimmer shade and applying on my eyelid. And now for the eyeliner, I'm using this sketch pen eyeliner and applying a very thin line. And now for eyeshadow, I'm just going to squint my eyes as much as possible to find that under eye fat, and then I'm going to draw it. Now adding highlighter with this highlighter pen over here. Now adding mascara to my lashes, and don't forget your lower lash line. And now I'm using a very thin brush to contour my nose. Now I'm using this Gigi Bear powder blush and applying on the center of my cheek. And then adding highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes, on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And now for lips, I'm using this nude shade and I'm just going to dab it, and then I'm going to add a pink gloss.